I think the pressure of understanding emotions or feelings in a poem or any work of art should not only be upon the teachers, because the responsibility, or it is to each person. And what a lot of us do in our classroom sometimes is we take a work of art and then we sit around it, the teachers and children, they all come to an equal level, and all of them share what they feel about it, what are their views about it. And I once remember this incident where we had shared a painting which was very red and seemed like the painting of an eye, to an entire class, and children were also there and adults were also there, and a lot of adults talked about Marxism. Some adults started talking about this looks like an eye, and some children were saying that this is about passion, but it was just a splatter of paints by a 5-year old. And hence like I think that pressure needs to be taken off us, of correctly evaluating art, because there is nothing of that sort. um, art is of make Art is made for all of us to feel in some way, and sometimes to feel differently about the same thing. So I think there's no pressure about understanding emotions in poetry and an exhibit. Like, everyone can go through the experience of trying to understand it together. That also makes the children feel, one, that the teacher is really vulnerable, and second, it creates an equal level playing field where the contributions of teacher are as valid as the contributions of the students.